All right, hang on. This is the storm system we've been talking about for more than a week. Finally going to get here tomorrow. And this one still has all the components that we're most concerned about. Atmospheric rivers, some higher winds, higher rain rates, and the possibility for thunderstorms. And that's why Santa Barbara County officials have been taking this seriously ever since they saw the first forecasts on it. And as you heard earlier from Richard and Karina, there are evacuation orders that go into place tomorrow afternoon. This is a look at the 101 in San Luis Obispo. You can see the green hills out there. If this system puts down what we think it will, 1 to 3 inches for most of the coast, places like Paso Robles will reach its annual average amount of rainfall with still part of the season yet to go. So temperatures in the 50s to about 60 degrees out there. The winds currently not that strong, a little bit of air in Paso moving easterly. Otherwise, it is all westerly here. Here's the outlook and everything you need to know at a real quick glance here. Again, the heaviest rain is later Tuesday into Wednesday. Southerly winds will pick up 25 to 35, some gusts to 40. No wind advisory yet. Not going to be surprised, though, if that gets posted as we get a little closer to the event tomorrow. Rainfall for most is going to be 1.5 to 3 inches for most of the coast, but we could see some areas with up to 5 on south-facing slopes along where that atmospheric river lines up. So you can already see the high clouds racing into the area. This is the atmospheric river in here. This is that really juicy subtropical air. So that provides a lot of moisture. This area of low pressure also has a cold front, so that's going to squeeze on that as well, plus give us some wind and instability for thunderstorms. With thunderstorms, not only do you get the heavier rain, but also the higher rain rates as well. So 1/2 inch to 1 inch rain rates anticipated at times with the system, and if there are thunderstorms that could exceed that, flash flood watch in place for all recent burn areas of Santa Barbara County and Ventura County as well. This is the thunderstorm risk assessment, essentially California, as we get later Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's the modeling. You can see on the warm side of this, already you get all of this moisture moving in as we get through the afternoon tomorrow into tomorrow night. But the system continues to focus activity here on the south coast and into Los Angeles County by Wednesday, and then the unstable part of that low still has to pass overhead. Again, critical timing here. Not a lot of rain except for northern San Luis Obispo County through 8 a.m. on Tuesday. This is noon. Now it's raining in San Luis Obispo County, Santa Barbara County, not much, and the evacuation order not yet in place. So still some time in the morning to bug out of areas where you've been told to leave. But as we get in 3 and 4 o'clock, you can see the rain starts getting to Santa Barbara, but this is the area we're most concerned about. From later Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning for the South Coast, you can see how that river just stays focused on the South Coast, then becoming more scattered for much of the rest of the area through Wednesday, though all of this will ultimately add up to some pretty decent rainfall totals. So for San Luis Obispo County and part of Santa Barbara County here, you're looking at that range. 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches here with all the blue, but again, we've said up to 3 inches. So again, we're getting into the purples here, that's 3 inches. 2.5 to 4 plus in these areas where the magenta colors are. Well, that includes all the burn areas of Santa Barbara County up here in the hills. You can see just above Santa Barbara, Montecito, and La Cachita, and in the hills of the Santa Ynez Range, all in that 2.5 to 4, 5 inches. So even though many of the communities may not see much more than, say, 1 to 3, there's still the high side potential with this storm system. On top of that, we have the winds, which will really start cranking up, especially as we get into tomorrow afternoon across the area, 15 to 30 with gusts to 40. So there's just so much to break down with this system. You're going to need that KSBY weather app when there's an alert. Because there are thunderstorms, it'll just pop up. Make sure you have notifications on for all of that. Upper 50s, low 60s tomorrow. Everybody's going to be stuck in the same atmospheric river. It's going to be cloudy. And again, rain starting in the afternoon for most, but heaviest Tuesday night into Wednesday, lingering into Thursday. Friday, Saturday look windy, but partly cloudy. Next chance for rain Monday, March 11th. Okay, we'll be back after this.